Hello friends, welcome to my channel today. We will learn about a new outfit with Nora. You can speak English in a very easy way. Listen carefully and practice with me. Let's have fun and learn together. Nora wakes up. The sun is out. She is happy. Today is a good day. She wants new clothes, she says. I need a new outfit. She wants to look nice. She wants to feel happy. Her old dress is old. She wants a new one. Nora eats breakfast. She drinks tea. She takes her bag. She goes to the mall. She smiles. She loves shopping. She loves colors. She loves soft clothes. She feels excited. The mall is big. There are many shops. Nora walks around. She sees red, blue, and green. She says so many pretty clothes. She goes inside her shop. A lady says, "Hello." Nora says, "Hi, want a new outfit." The lady helps her. Nora sees a pink dress. She says, "I like this one." She tries it on. She looks in the mirror. She says, "Well, I love it." She sees white shoes. She tries them. They fit well. She buys the dress. She buys the shoes. Nora sees small bags. She picks a white one. "It matches my dress," she says. She buys it too. She is happy. Now she has a pink dress, white shoes, a white bag. Nora takes the bus. She goes home. She tries her new outfit again. She looks in the mirror. She feels proud. She says, "I look good." She waits for her friend. Lily is coming soon. Nora is ready. Lily comes in. She sees Nora. She says, "Wow, you look so pretty." Nora says, "Thank you." Lily asks, "Where did you get it?" Nora says, "At the mall." Lily says, "It looks great." Nora says, "I feel good too." They sit and talk. Nora says, "I like soft clothes." Lily says, "I like blue colors." Nora says, "Pink is my favorite." They both smile. Nora says, "Let's shop together next time." Lily says, "Yes, I want a new dress too." Nora looks at her closet. She sees many clothes. Some are old, some don't fit. She makes a plan. She says, "I will give old clothes away." She puts clothes in a bag. She goes to a donation box. She gives them. She feels good, Nora says. Pod clothes make me happy. They make me feel clean. They make me feel strong. I love wearing new things. But I don't need many, she says. Simple is best. Clean is nice. Happy is more than fashion. One day, Anna is sad. She has no dress for the party. Nora says, "Come to me." Anna comes. Nora says, "Wear this pink dress." Anna says, "But that's yours." Nora says, "It's okay. I want you to smile." Anna wears it. She is happy. Nora helps kids. She teaches easy words. Shirt, pants, dress, shoes, bag. She says, "This is a red shirt. This is a blue bag. This is a green dress." Kids clap and smile. They learned fast. Nora gives tips. Wear clean clothes. Wear what you like. Be simple. Smile always. Share your clothes, she says. Don't buy too much. Buy what you need. Help others. Nora sees a yellow top. She likes it, but she says, "I don't need it now." She walks away. She feels proud. Nora says, "My pink dress is special. It makes me smile. It makes me feel new." But love is more than clothes. She looks in the mirror. She says, "I am kind. I am happy. I am strong."